Everybody picked up a small haul from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be a quick video. This is a 7/8 arbor size, item number 90338, aluminum oxide, 24 grit metal, 1/4 inch thick, 6,600 max RPM, 5-pack of grinding wheels. They're 9-inch grinding wheels from Harbor Freight. They're just Warrior wheels. I use a lot of their 4.5 inch, so I'm going to be putting these on the 7 and 9 inch Milwaukee rat tail M18 grinder. So we're going to be using these soon in a video. Just a quick little video. I also went to Home Depot and just picked this little hose up because, you know, Lowe's didn't have any of the short hoses, and Home Depot didn't have the 6-foot hoses either. It's just to go to my hose box that holds my 100-foot worth of hose. The one that goes from the spigot to the box started leaking. This is an Element. The greener weight of water. I'm guessing this is like plastic or something that was repurposed, recycled, something like that. Goes up to 400 plus psi, burst strength, outstanding cold weather performance, compact, ideal for small jobs and small spaces. Works with all hose reel designs. That's what I'm using it for, as a hose reel. With male adapter and fits all hose reels. And what's nice is this style, it swivels. Both of them swivel. So if you have a hose like this that doesn't swivel, and you guys might know what I'm talking about, where you got to literally turn the entire hose just to attach it to a hose reel. So it's kind of nice that it does turn. I like that. Looks like it has an adapter attached to it. That's actually really nice. So it came with a hose adapter. So it'll make life a little easier. But just a quick little video. I'll let you guys know down the road, you know, how well this hose works. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI affiliate links. I appreciate your guys' time. Appreciate you sticking around for the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!
Yeah.